Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for Battlefield Error Code DXGI Error Invalid Call. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to open Battlefield 3. The error simply leads to a DirectX-related crash and prevents the game from running. According to our research, the error is likely caused by display driver issues, improper in-game settings, corrupted files, or overlay conflicts. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device along with your router. After that, check if you have any pending updates for the game. If there is an update available, install it and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then go to your in-game graphics settings and switch to borderless mode. This change has helped some users avoid the crash. Once switched, relaunch the game and check for the error again. If the error still persists, verify the integrity of the game files. Simply open your launcher and go to the game settings and choose the option to verify or repair the game files. Then let the process complete and check if this resolves the error. If the error still continues, then disable the Origin in-game overlay and see if the error still comes. If you still get the error, try uninstalling your graphics drivers using DDU. Once done, go to the NVIDIA website and install only the drivers. Please do not install the additional software when prompted. After the clean installation, restart your system and check for the error. At last, if the error still persists, repeat the driver reinstallation process to ensure all old files are cleared and only the latest drivers are in use. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.